Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Marvel Spider-Man 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make puzzles much more simple within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Spider-Man 2 game on your device and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, during your gameplay, you will come across various different puzzles and you have the option to skip them if you wish. But if you simply wish to make the puzzle more simple, then in order to do so, just pause your game. And now go into the settings menu. Within this page, you will need to go into game options. And now you have various different settings that you can change. There is also the simplify puzzles option. So you can just set this option to on. And this will make the puzzles that appear within your gameplay much more simpler. After this, you can go back and your settings will automatically be saved. And now whenever you come across these puzzles, they will not be as difficult. And you always have the option to skip them within your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make puzzles much more simple on the Marvel Spider-Man 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.